Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a little bit of like a chilled, relaxing Saturday vlog. I already did the intro of me kind of seeing one of my early morning students, and now I have a 3-hour gap, so I'm going to try and fill that time by finishing the book I'm reading, doing a little bit of shopping, doing a little bit of looking around, and then I have another 2 lessons with my students from 2:30 until 5, which is going to be pretty late, so we need to make the most of this time and kind of just have fun. So right now I'm in Hyde Park and I'm going to Exclusive Books, and I wanted to go look around the 4th floor to see if there's any other stores and things that I wanted to look at, because I haven't really been shopping here in a while. So we're gonna go do that, and then after that, depending on how much time we have left and if I decided to finish my book or not, we're gonna head over to another mall that is closer to my next student. We're going to go look at some of the other stores there and see if there's anything that I had written down that I wanted to look at. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I bought a book. I bought Wolf E by Paisley Hope. I had this book on my to-read list for about a month now, and I got it on my Kindle, just like a PDF version. I didn't buy it, but I wanted to get the physical copy because look at these pages. Like, I'm gonna be really mad if the story is not good because the cover is gorgeous and the pages are beautiful. So yeah, anyway, this was the last one, so I was like, let me try and get it. And then I read about a chapter or 2 of Iron Flame. I'm about 85% in, so I will be finished hopefully in the next day or 2. And now I'm gonna go to the other mall because I still have a bit of time left over, so I've got about an hour and a half before my other student. So we're gonna head over to the other mall and I'm gonna go look around, and there isn't anything I really need to get, but we'll see what happens. I bought another handbag. So much for not buying any presses this year. This is actually the second handbag I've bought this year, and I kind of wanted that barrel shape, so now we have her, and I'm at Cotton On and we have to get some key rings to accessorize. These are so cute. To match my little Miffy t-shirt. Bearing in mind that the hardware on the bag is gold, so we need to get something gold that'll obviously pair with black, which gives us a lot of range. This is adorable. I love this. I think this is the one, you guys. There's this really cute ocean themed moment. This one is super dramatic. Look how simple this one is, and I can add other stuff to it. So I ended up getting one of the key rings, and the other one, the one that looked like kind of like a stone, I liked it, but it looked like it was glued together, like it was gonna fall apart, so I didn't want to risk that, so I decided to just get the one with the beads on it. We'll probably make one at home. Right now I only have like 3 minutes to get to my student. Luckily the student I'm about to see lives like 2 minutes from the mall, so I will make it there on time. Anyways, it was kind of on my checklist to go and look at bags, but it was not on my bingo list to get this bag because I saw it last year during the Black Friday specials and I wanted to get it, but I ended up getting the one that is in my most recent What's in My Bag, and I have no regrets. But the other branches were sold out of this bag, and I've been wanting to try the barrel bag shape. And when I got to the store, there was like an extra 10% off sale items, so it was kind of an extra win for me that I didn't expect. So this is the bag I got. It is super cute and I love the shape. And this is a comparison for size. This is my Longchamp Le Pliage in the small, which I have shown on this channel. The bag definitely has a lot of depth and the shape is very unique, which allows a lot of stuff to fit in here. I'm not necessarily picking one over the other. It's just a matter of what size I want, what the color scheme I'm going for is, and kind of the shape or the theme of whatever I'm going for the day I choose either one of them. Comes with the black strap as always. Aldo bags almost always come with a strap, so again, I'm super happy that this one came with a strap, and it's a nice like leathery feel strap, and you can use it as a crossbody. The strap is also buckled and it's got some holes punched in it for adjustability. I tend to make some holes in depending on how short or how long I want the strap to be, but so far it looks like it is a good length. And I do think I will be carrying this bag with its top handle a lot more. This is kind of just a safety strap to have on hand. I'm gonna do a transfer of stuff from here to here, so we will do that soon. It just rained pretty heavily for the last like hour, and now the sun is setting and it is really pretty. Take a look at that sky. She's so gorgeous. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go take a shower and just get all the stuff off me and wash off the day, and then I'm probably gonna eat something and then possibly pack my bag because I want to use it tomorrow. So I'm gonna do a little pack my bag with me. So we're gonna do that later, and yeah. Good morning, everyone. So I have work I have to leave for work in about 10 minutes. So I didn't pack my bag last night, so we're gonna do a little pack my bag with me now, quickly. I'll give you guys a little ASMR. Starting with the bigger things, we're gonna put my Kindle and my journals in. Comb and this little bag with my blotting sheets, lighter, and a spray lippy. Wipe, sanitizer, gum, and lotion. Hairpin and my compact mirror. YSL Love Shine and the lip liner. It's different. This one's in the shade Cappuccino. Pens. This one is my gel and this one is my fountain pen. Gucci perfume today. Rimmel London Butter Me Up Balm. Glow clip. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to carry this one, so I'm gonna see if there's something else I wanted to take. It's gonna be either one of these two, either this Plump Ambition or it's gonna be the YSL Lip Plumper. I think let's go with the YSL one. I'm gonna put my camera in here, so that is pretty much it. Put some accessories, going with the little brown keychain I got yesterday. I put together this little charm situation last night. I've got a bunch of charms, so I just assemble a charm stack whenever I like. Strap for safety. Cutting my tag. Tag is off. I'm gonna take out the plastic on the zipper. plastic here. Still so much space. This is the bag. Anyways, I think this is the end of the vlog, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.